You and I, we're messy and complicated, but we're real.
I'll wrap up my bones and leave them out of this home, out on the road. 2 feet standing on a principle, 2 hands longing for each other's warmth, cold smoke seeping out of colder throats. Darkness falling leaves nowhere to go. Still with feet touching, still